Hey there, welcome to Super Picks. In this video, we're checking out some of the best car gadgets and accessories you can get right now. Whether it's for safety, comfort, or just a better drive, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. The NIO ET9 SkyRide's fully active suspension system is a game-changer in car technology, delivering a ride that's incredibly smooth and controlled. This system adjusts continuously to the road conditions and your driving style, providing an incredibly smooth and stable ride. It uses a combination of sensors and actuators, instantly responding to bumps and rough surfaces. Even on rough terrain, the suspension absorbs shocks and vibrations with ease, making the ride feel effortless. Its rapid adjustment capabilities maintain vehicle stability no matter the speed or load. The suspension works seamlessly with the car's advanced driving assistance systems, enhancing overall safety and responsiveness. It's all about making your ride smarter, safer, and smoother. The BAYU Auto and Outdoor Smart Car Kit is a complete wireless solution for all your car needs when you're on the go. It starts with the portable, rechargeable, wireless car vacuum cleaner, perfect for those quick, on-the-spot cleanups. No more messy car interiors, no matter where you are. You'll also get a wireless phone charger, making sure your device never runs out of juice while you're on the road. The power bank has a versatile Type-C charging interface. You can use it at home, outdoors, or right in your car. The wireless inflator pump provides a battery life of up to 40 minutes. You won't have to worry about deflated tires. It's your reliable companion on the road. The wireless high-pressure car wash gun comes with a powerful 200 psi water pressure, and it also lasts up to 40 minutes on a single charge. Washing your car just got so much easier and way more effective. The kit's LED flashlight offers up to 20 hours of battery life. It's perfect for nighttime use or unexpected situations. Plus, the flashlight can be mounted on bicycles, just like a car's headlights. The BAYU Auto and Outdoor Smart Car Kit really is a practical choice for everything, from cleaning and inflating to lighting up the night and keeping your devices charged. Dealing with a flat tire during a long journey can be difficult. The Slime Tire Sealant is a handy and reliable fix. It allows you to quickly repair punctures and get back on the road. This advanced sealant is made from a unique combination of fibers, polymers, and binding agents. Once injected into the tire, it instantly seals punctures. The sealant stays in liquid form inside the tire, providing continuous protection by sealing any new punctures that occur. It's like having a tire protector on standby at all times. Using Slime is easy. Simply connect the sealant bottle to the tire's valve stem. No tools, no jack required. Slime could handle punctures up to 1/4 inch in diameter, getting you back on the road in minutes. It stays active inside the tire for up to 2 years, ready to tackle any new punctures that come your way. It's safe to use, non-toxic, and won't damage your tire or rim. This sealant is an affordable way to avoid costly roadside assistance or towing. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or off-roading, having Slime in your emergency kit ensures you're always prepared for a flat tire. KeyX is here to completely change the way you manage your vehicle and other devices. It's a smart, all-in-one remote with a touchscreen that controls your car, your garage, and so much more. With KeyX, you can store all your cards in one device. Plus, this universal key can be programmed to operate multiple vehicles. KeyX automatically unlocks your car as you get close and locks it when you walk away. Its stylish, durable design is built to withstand daily use. KeyX prioritizes safety with advanced encryption to block unauthorized access. You can lock, unlock, and even start your car from a distance. Plus, if the worst happens and your car is stolen, KeyX can help you recover it. KeyX simplifies your keyring while adding smart features and enhanced security to your vehicle experience. The Aerogogo automatic air mattress is an excellent solution for transforming your Tesla into a cozy sleeping space, making it ideal for camping trips or extended road journeys. One of its standout features is the built-in air pump, which allows for effortless inflation and deflation at the push of a button. Constructed from durable materials, the Aerogogo air mattress balances comfort and longevity. It can withstand regular use without compromising its integrity, whether you're parked at a scenic overlook or resting at a campground. When not in use, the mattress conveniently folds up and fits into a carrying bag, making it easy to store in your Tesla's trunk. For Tesla owners who enjoy road trips or camping excursions, the Air Mattress is an essential accessory. The BEDSLIDE truck bed sliding system is a game changer for anyone looking to make accessing their truck's cargo area easier and more convenient. With its fully extendable sliding tray, you can easily reach items stored at the back of the truck bed, especially useful for handling heavy or bulky items like tools, equipment, or outdoor gear. Constructed from a robust combination of aluminum and steel, the BEDSLIDE is designed to withstand regular use and support heavy loads. The sliding tray operates smoothly, allowing you to pull out or push in your gear with minimal effort. It's available for a variety of truck models and bed sizes, so it's important to check compatibility with your vehicle before purchasing. Whether you're using your truck for work or outdoor adventures, it transforms your bed into a more functional and secure space, enhancing your overall truck experience. The Daniels DRAGON Plow is a specialized truck-mounted rear plow that takes snow removal to the next level. Featuring hydraulic wings that can extend up to an impressive 16 feet wide and rotate a full 180 degrees. This plow lets you clear massive amounts of snow from any angle. Crafted from durable, high-quality materials, the Dragon Plow is built to withstand the harshest winter conditions. This plow includes down pressure technology to maintain consistent ground contact, ensuring thorough snow removal every time. Its under bumper mount allows for easy attachment and detachment without having to remove the vehicle's tailgate. That means you can still use your rear camera and tailgate like normal. It's compatible with a wide range of truck models, making it a versatile choice for different vehicles. Whether you're pairing it with a front plow or using it with a dump insert, the Dragon Plow transforms your truck into a powerful, year-round workhorse. This plow efficiently handles large volumes of snow, keeping roads, driveways, and parking lots clear during the winter months. Introducing the BAK Revolver, a truly high-quality, hard-rolling truck bed cover that combines strength, style, and ease of use. With its matte black finish, this cover adds a sleek look to your vehicle. Made from durable aluminum slats, it resists scratches and wear, ensuring it lasts for years to come. The cover features an automatic latching system that locks along the entire length of the truck bed when closed. You can only unlock it by lowering the tailgate, giving your cargo strong protection. And when it comes to convenience, the smooth rolling mechanism lets you easily access the truck bed without blocking your rear view. No more awkward maneuvers while driving. When rolled up, a strap keeps the cover securely in place. Talk about practicality. Built to handle tough weather, it features rubber seals and drain tubes to keep water and dust out of your cargo area. With a no-drill, clamp-on design that fits most trucks, you'll be set up in no time. The BAK Revolver is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a secure, stylish, and practical way to protect their truck bed. The ACOPOWER TesFridge is a portable refrigerator specifically designed for Tesla owners, making it an ideal companion for outdoor adventures and road trips. With a temperature range of -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, it allows you to keep food and drinks either chilled or frozen without the need for ice. You can conveniently control the temperature using a Bluetooth app on your phone. The TesFridge can be powered through your Tesla's power socket or an optional portable battery, providing up to 10 hours of use. A digital control panel ensures that making temperature adjustments is straightforward and hassle-free. Designed to fit seamlessly into the sub-trunk of Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. Whether you're heading on a road trip or enjoying outdoor activities, the ACOPOWER TesFridge is a practical, reliable way to keep your food and beverages fresh, making your travels more enjoyable and stress-free. Introducing the Boosted Safe, a durable, high-quality storage solution designed to protect your valuables from theft and unauthorized access. Built from tough steel, it offers robust protection and peace of mind, keeping your belongings secure. It combines advanced smart lock technology with a traditional key lock for double the security. Plus, its compact design fits discreetly in your car, making it ideal for on-the-go protection. Installation is quick, and using the smart lock is simple. The Boosted Safe also protects against fire and water damage. It's spacious enough for electronics, documents, and personal items, making it perfect for home, business, or travel. The boosted safe offers the ideal blend of security and convenience for keeping your valuables protected. DewEze Bale Beds make handling hay bales so much easier. These beds feature a hydraulic arm system that allows you to load, unload, and position round bales with ease. You can even control the system from inside the truck using a joystick or control panel. Built from incredibly strong materials, DewEze Bale Beds handle heavy loads and frequent use. Whether you're dealing with different bale sizes or weights, or even using them to transport other items or equipment, these beds are a versatile tool on the farm. A major benefit is that they reduce manual labor and physical effort. You can tailor the equipment to your specific needs, boosting both functionality and convenience. DewEze Bale Beds are a practical and durable solution for managing hay bales.